Imagine coming home to spotless floors every single day without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I tested 3 of the most hyped robot vacuums of the budget beast, the mid-range marvel, and the luxury legend. One of them actually ruined my carpet. Another one, it literally saved me from a flooded kitchen. And the winner, let's just say my life is officially divided into before and after this robot. By the end of this video, you know exactly which one deserves a spot in your home. Let's find out. Starting at number 1. Roborock Saros 10R. The Roborock Saros 10R is the best robot vacuum cleaner we've tested, particularly if you want a premium robot vacuum/mop combo that you can actually trust to run unsupervised. It recognizes and avoids obstacles like cables and pet toys, so you don't need to pre-clean before each run. Hard floor cleaning is excellent, and the mopping capability is also impressive, actually lifting dried stains rather than just pushing water around like budget models. For homes with primarily hard floors, this model is hard to beat. The dock handles most everyday maintenance on its own. You'll mostly just have to refill water and empty the dustbin occasionally. It even automatically heats water to sanitize mop pads, so you're not spreading dirty water around. The device's slim design allows it to fit under low furniture, preventing dust buildup in those hard-to-reach spots. The main limitation is disappointing pet hair pickup on carpet. While excelling on hard floors, it struggles to pull embedded fur from deep carpet fibers. If you have shedding pets and your home includes carpets or rugs, you'll need to break out your regular vacuum periodically. Number 2. MOVA P50 Pro Ultra. The MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is a great mid-range option if you're willing to trade top-tier obstacle avoidance for better pet hair pickup and a lower price. Obstacle avoidance is a step down from the Roborock Saros 10R, so plan on doing a quick sweep of your floors before running it. Performance is particularly inconsistent when it comes to recognizing and avoiding pet waste, so if your pets are prone to accidents, it's best to run the vacuum while you're home. That said, the MOVA performs well beyond its price point in other areas. This model outperforms the Saros when it comes to picking up pet hair from carpets and does a great job on bare floors too, making it a versatile option for most homes. Beyond cleaning performance, it has some useful features that reduce maintenance work. The Tri-Cut Brush Roll improves pet hair pickup by featuring rotating blades that cut through hair to prevent tangling. The multifunction dock handles nearly all the day-to-day maintenance by emptying the dustbin, refilling the water tank, and washing the mop pads with hot water and air. One drawback is the disappointingly small onboard dustbin. If you have a larger home or go a few days between cleaning sessions, the MOVA will need to return to the dock frequently to self-empty. Number 3. eufy E20. If you mainly have hard floors and want to save some money, the eufy E20 is a good option, picking up nearly everything on hard floors in one pass and performing almost as well as the pricier MOVA P50 Pro Ultra. Obstacle handling is pretty good thanks to multiple LiDAR sensors, so it doesn't constantly run into furniture legs. Beyond cleaning performance, there are some useful features that add to its versatility. This robot vacuum has a 3-in-1 design that lets you convert it into a stick or handheld vacuum, which is handy if you need to quickly spot clean stairs or your car interior. The self-emptying dock handles maintenance for you, though the smaller bag means you'll empty it more often if you have a larger home, which increases ownership costs. There are some limitations, but how much they matter depends on your space. If you have carpets, it'll leave fine debris behind, especially along baseboards. Similarly, pet hair pickup is okay, but nothing special, so if you have shedding pets, you'll be pulling out your regular vacuum pretty often. There's no mopping either, which isn't surprising given the price point. Finally, the tall LiDAR tower is also a problem if you have low-clearance furniture. Dust will just keep piling up under there between manual cleaning sessions. So there you have it, the 3 robot vacuums that completely changed my cleaning game. Whether you're team budget, team mid-range, or team money is no object, there's literally something here for you. Which one would you pick? Drop it in the comments below. I actually read them, and I'm curious if you agree with my winner. And hey, if this video helped you save time and you're back from sweeping, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget, all product links are in the description below. Check them out, compare prices, and grab the deal before it's gone. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're dropping epic tech videos every week. See you in the next one. Stay clean and stay smart.